We're on the picket today for our members in Overstown in relation to inadequate safety measures and an increased number of serious assaults that have taken place over the last 15 months. Management could seriously sit down with members and our representatives to discuss a list of health and safety concerns in relation to the building itself and to work practices on staffing. Well, we have served notice on management as today from 8 o'clock today to 12 noon today, and also every Tuesday in the month of June as our plan of action. But we are in the workplace relations tomorrow, Wednesday the 1st of June, to discuss our members' concerns. So we have all full confidence in the conciliation officers. We're in the workplace relations, but our members do not have any faith in the senior management. So we're calling on management to enter into meaningful discussions to seriously address our members' concerns.